welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this look that I'm wearing today, which is a black glittery smoky eye look with nude lips. Before moving on to the tutorial, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, and if you have enjoyed my video, please give it a like and please leave comments down below. And without any further ado, let's keep on watching. So because I will be going for a very heavy eye look, I will start by doing my eyes first before my base. So first I'll take my concealer from ELF and I'm going to prime my eyelids. I'll be going in with my Jaclyn Hill palette and I'll take this shade here. And I'll go above my crease. Is this shade. This will go below the first shade that I applied. I'm going to go ahead and use my Sugar Kohl. It's just a regular black kajal and I'm going to lay it all across my eyelids. Blending out the color with my finger. To blend it further, I'm going to use my blending brush. Take my NYX Mochi palette and I'm going to go into this glittery black shade. I'm going to lay this color right across the top of the black base. Blend it again. Back into my Jaclyn Hill palette, I'll be using this shade right here to blend out the black color, just where it meets the crease. Leave the eye look for now and I'm going to move on to my eyebrows. I'm going to take my Rimmel eyebrow pencil and I will go ahead and fill in my brows now. To the face and use my Clinique foundation. Camo Concealer and go right beneath my eyes to cover my dark circles. Next, I'm going to go ahead with my Sugar Kajal again, and I'm going to use this to line my waterline. Using my blending brush once again, I'm going to smoke it out. Using this dark brown shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to smoke out my lash line further. I'm going to use the same glittery shade that I took from my NYX palette, and I'm going to use it again. I'm going to use this shade to highlight my brow bone. I'm going to use this shade to highlight my inner corner. I'm going to go ahead with my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara and use tons of it to add more drama to the eyes. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild pressed compressed powder all over my face now. I'm going to go ahead and use my Makeup Revolution contour palette. My Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo in Malibu Barbie. Take my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade Precious Petals. take the Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Chestnut. Sephora lip stain in the shade 32, and I'm just going to use a little bit of it to nude out my lips. My final step is going to be my L'Oreal lip gloss in the shade I Got the Power. Plum setting mist to set the makeup on my face and make it a bit more long lasting. That completes the makeup look. I hope you enjoyed watching today, and a very happy new year to all of you. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and like and share the video as well, please. Until next time, bye bye.